Hey guys, it's Derek with PaintForce. I'm going to show you today how to bid the entire exterior of a house. All right guys, so you open up the app and this is exactly what you have when you download it. Click on New Job, New Blank Job, Exterior. Select a contact, add a photo. All right, so we added the photo and now we're going to add to estimate Group Template, which has elevations. So we're going to select front elevation and it's going to duplicate them and then I'll rename them for each side of the house. We're going to go into front elevation, do the body. Let's say it's 800 square feet. The fascia is 40 linear feet. The soffits are 40 linear feet. There's one front door, one double garage door, and 4 windows. Just click, tally those up. And then there's hand railing. It's probably about 6 feet. So, all right, I'm gonna hit save. And I see there's some weather stripping. So I'm gonna take a custom photo of this. Go to custom line item. And let's just say this is damaged. So I'm gonna remove and replace weather stripping. I'm gonna charge a customer $250. They're a little pricey, maybe $100 of labor and 50 materials. Now I'm gonna click on a note so I can add, replace. I'm gonna take a photo of this, add it, save note. Now down here, I'm gonna click on the 3 dots on the right and mark as add-on. So the customer can choose that if they wanna add it. All right, so the front is done. Now let's go to the left. This is a little more square footage. Let's say 1,000 square feet. Probably 30 linear feet of fascia, 30 linear feet of soffits. And windows, there's no door, so I'm deleting that. No garage door, deleting that. 1 window, no hand railing. And now we're gonna add the siding vent and some belly band trim. So look in your library, type in belly. And of course you can just create any trim item and add that. So we're gonna say that's 25 linear feet of belly band. Let's say your customer wants to paint the water meter and you want to add that. So you click on line item, type in water, it should already be in there. Add to the estimate, mark as additional add-on. And of course, if you wanted to take a picture of it, go back to the item, prime and paint, water meter, hit save. That's not a good price. Say you pay your crew 25. Let's do $50. Hit save, and now we're gonna go to the back. Now we're in the back of the house, so you're gonna go to another elevation and rename it. Back elevation. All right, the siding's comparable to the front. Let's do 800. The fascia is probably a little more. Let's do 60. All right, so on the back, we got 2 posts and a big porch soffit. So I'm gonna look up posts, back posts, add that. I'd say they're about 10 foot each, so 20 linear feet of posts. Now let's add the back porch soffit. There it is. And it's gonna be body color. So let's add 250 square feet. Oops. Now we got 3 sides done. We're gonna go to the last side. All right. Click on here and rename it to right elevation. Siding's probably the same as the other, 1,000, 50. Let's do the electrical boxes. Electrical. Add the electrical boxes. So hit add, it added both of those. Let's do 30 linear feet of that and 1 of those, save changes. Now hit save and it'll show you the customer view of the estimate. You got your logo, the picture of the front, all the preparation, paint, the whole house because it smashes it all together so you don't have each elevation. And then the 2 line items that we added. Remove the weather stripping, it has a photo as well as the water meter as a photo as well. Paint upgrades there. The customer can click and sign it and you're with them on the spot. You'd be good to go. So let's say you wanted to add primer or a color to something in particular. Let's go to left elevation. And let's say they wanted that siding vent to be black just for that. So you go down to show more options, scroll down, go to paint color override, and then just type in a color you want. Let's say they want tricorn. Select tricorn black, hit save. So now that item is black. Now let's go down and add colors for the house. Let's say the customer knows what they want. Say the body is agreeable gray. So you add that. Let's say the trim is pure white. Sherwin-Williams. Let's go to the front door. Let's say they want something red. Let's do Krabby Apple. Save. Save in the top right. Now let's view this, what the customer will see. The view estimate. And then scroll down. Now we have our colors that are right above the warranty. We got the body color is agreeable gray. The trim is pure white. The double garage door and the siding vents and the front door are tricorn black. So right there you have all the colors. The customer can see it, approve it, and right there on the spot you can get a signature and win the job.